my friends. Welcome back to RB. Wow. No, I'm just kidding. I just pulled up to the shop. Let's see what's going on here. Got a couple goodies today. Let's check it out. Uh-oh. 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 Finally got the turbo on, huh?
Yeah, here, let me turn it off.
Damn, sounds better than before.
Yeah, here, let me turn on this. I don't know if some of you remember some of the, my fortunate luck with everything, of course. For a clean culture a couple weeks ago, we, installed the new top mount setup that I was going to use on the car. As I said, I kind of cheaped out, but you know, I did it to myself. But then again, not everybody's got $1,200 to drop on a turbo. Not even 2 days after putting it on the car, the compressor house. Actually, you know, here I can show you guys. Yeah, it was bad, but let me see if I still have it bolted up. This was pretty bad. This was not even 2 days after driving it. Stock boost, I did literally one pull. And if you actually look, this side's not even that bad. It's the hot side. If you look closely, you can see the grooves where it was chewing up against the actual housing of the turbo, which you can see in here. See all that? So that was smacking around, and yeah, this thing's toast, dude. It wasn't even literally 2 days.
Wow.
I put it on, drove it, was great. Drove it again the next day, and then by the time I woke up the next morning, I would start the car, and at cold start, it was just like a so I thought I blew up my motor, and I got terrified, thought I fried my motor.
Yeah, wasn't it the lifters you thought?
Yeah, we thought it was the lifters, which possibly still could be a lifter, but you know, it's hydraulic, they get stuck sometimes. But yeah, this isn't you can see it's all chewed up, and then
Damn.
that's not good.
Damn.
For a 2-week-old turbo. But again, it's a cheapo turbo. They're always hit or miss. Some of them last a year, some of them last 2 days. So then we I contacted Boost Lab in Tampa. They're very known. They had basically a size that I was very interested in. It was a 5757 custom turbo that they actually built. So they take turbos to either like Garrett internals, precision internals, and plus the price for this turbo was so unbeatable, and I just said yes, and I bought it next day. Well, I bought it, I think it was Sunday night, Monday evening, it was at my door. Little bit of a tight fit. It is, I think, a tad bit bigger. Only thing I had to do was just modify the V-band, just because, you know, it's a different size. And yeah, it's good to go. I didn't want to go black, but that's how they sent it, and now that I think about it, I do kind of like it. I know it's like that heat crinkle type thing. But yeah, just finished it up. Got to put a clamp on, just tighten the V-band, and have the Mastermind Martin come down and tune this and shoot for 450. That's the goal for this, and I know it'll make it. I know it'll do it. And then next Saturday, I'm doing something that I already do, but people are going to be surprised about with this car. We're going to OSW, and we're doing a private event on the skid pad with this car. Myself, Lucas, Sarah with the BMW, Brooke with the BRZ, basically just friends. 12 of us rented out the track. I really, really want to see this car sideways. I just feel like it'd be badass seeing this car sideways, and you know, it's the whole point of this car is to be able to do everything with it. So I've already proven it can drive across the state multiple times. I drive it every day, and now I want to actually really drift it, have some fun, get it out of my system, and then eventually buy a track car now that my arm's good to go and I can start driving a little harder and doing more, and well, hopefully not crash it. So yeah, so actually we got a couple projects here too, and then the R31 is back. Everybody's been blowing up my phone about that car, and Mr. Cameraman, who's actually behind the lens, is the one that did a lot of the work. So he's gonna do a walk around that car for you guys, show you what he did, and also the car is up for sale. There's nothing wrong with the car. Clean title. There's no Bondo. There's no filler. He's gonna explain everything and show you guys. Just basically, it was the quarter panel that had damage. Control arms were good. Door's good. Frame rail's good. Nothing's bent. There was no tweaks. I mean, it's still worth every bit of money you're asking for. The car still runs and drives like it's brand new. So we're gonna go check that out, do a walk around on that. Then we got a couple friends coming, and it's another good shop night. Well, thank you for checking out this video. We're gonna have a few more updates coming soon. Dyno day for the red car. We are, as I said previously, a full OSW day with the red car again. So it's gonna be super fun. We got a lot of stuff coming up. And then also let us know your comments on the R31. And remember, the car is for sale for those that are interested. Lewis is gonna be doing a full walk around of the car and explain, what was done. And also we are providing wrap services from Ethan and possibly many more options. So yeah, leave your comments, make sure to like this video, please subscribe, it helps us out, and we'll see you in the next one.